Sautéed Kaşar cheese from Turkey. Serves 2. Prep time 20 minutes. A simple Turkish meze of golden, sautéed kaşar with lemon and parsley. Ingredients for 2 servings. 9 ounces kaşar cheese, sliced 3/4 of an inch thick. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour for light dusting. 1 teaspoon Aleppo pepper or smoked paprika. 1 lemon, cut into wedges. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place a heavy cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and preheat for 1 minute. Pat the 9 ounces of kaşar cheese slices dry with paper towels so the surface is not wet. Place 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour on a shallow plate. Lightly coat both sides of each kaşar slice by pressing into the flour. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the preheated skillet. Heat until the butter foams, about 20 seconds. Tilt the pan to check the oil sheen. Carefully place the floured kaşar slices into the skillet, leaving space between each slice. Sauté the kaşar slices undisturbed for 2 minutes on the first side until a deep golden crust forms. Flip each slice and cook the second side for 2 minutes until deeply golden and the edges are set but the center is still slightly melty. Remove the sautéed kaşar to a warm plate and let rest for 30 seconds so the cheese holds its shape. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper or smoked paprika and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley over the cheese. Squeeze a lemon wedge over the hot cheese just before serving and transfer to the table. Serve immediately while warm. This sautéed kaşar is perfect as a meze or starter. Cut into pieces and enjoy warm. Remove from heat and serve hot. Enjoy this simple Turkish classic and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That is our sautéed kaşar from Turkey. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick meze ideas.